Hi, welcome back to the Chinese course on TELEAG. I'm Yao Songmei. I hope you have a great day. In our last lesson, we learned 4 basic tones and pronounced different simple finals with different tones. Ah, 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 o, 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 ơ, ớ, ở, ợ, y, ý, ỉ, ị, u, ú, ủ, ụ, ü, 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 ü. Great job! Now we have a question again. Where do we mark the tones on a pinyin syllable? So we have 4 rules. Number 1. We mark the tones on the main vowel. Yao, Guang, Pu, Tong, Hua. As you can see, in each syllable, the tone is marked on the top of the main vowel. Number 2. When the compound finals are you or we, the tone is marked on the one who comes the second. For example, 腿, 袖, 对, 球. Number 3. Compound final wen is short for wen, so the tone is marked on u. Let's see. 混, 群, 轮. Last rule. If the tone is marked on e, then we should remove the dot on it. 鸡, 气, 心, 意. Apart from basic 4 tones, we have another one, which is short and light. We call it the neutral tone. It is unmarked. For example, 妈妈, 桌子, 好的. Congratulations, guys! We finished the pinyin unit today. And after we finish a trial test for Unit 2, we are going to the next unit. I can't wait to see you there. Here's the quiz for you. Bye!